All right, we in focus. All right, hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, interview at the Huck's World. And today we just want to come talk about the event that's going to take place tomorrow. We want to talk about whether you should buy the Galaxy Watch or should you go ahead and buy the Gear 3, or should you even upgrade from the Gear 3 to the Galaxy Watch and or with your Gear Sport, right? Should you stay exactly where you are? We do want to touch on and talk about the Galaxy Note 9 too as well. All right, so with that being said, let's get started. All right, you all, listen, the event is tomorrow. I'm excited about it to see the Galaxy Note 9. I will be buying it. I will be doing a review on it. Same thing with the Galaxy Watch, and I'm keeping them. Listen, I'm looking forward to the Galaxy Watch most of all. Now, let's talk about the Galaxy Note 9. First of all, people have a gripe with the Galaxy Note 9, especially what it's going to look like the Galaxy Note 8. Right, which is not a bad deal because the Galaxy Note 8 is actually a great looking phone, right? Now, the only gripe that I have is that the fingerprint scanner is still on the back. It's a very unnatural place for it to be. I'm just not feeling it, but it is what it is. It is there. We're probably going to have to wait till next year to be able to see the fingerprint scanner up under the front of the display where it should be, right? But all in all, the Galaxy Note 8 is a great feel in the hand. I like the resolution. I like the display. I like the camera that it has, the portrait mode as well as wide lens. This thing takes awesome photos, right? But what's more important is the feel in the hand. It feels very natural. It fits right in the palm of the hand. And also it has a premium look and feel as well. So the Galaxy Note 9 looking like the Galaxy Note 8 is not a deal breaker for me. I'm getting the phone anyway. What's going to make or break this phone is going to be the features and functions that's going to come on it. One thing we do know that's coming on the Galaxy Note 9 is that it's going to have a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. So how many more days are we going to be able to get out of this smartphone, right? We're going to get 3, we're going to get 4, are we going to get 5 days out of this battery, especially with the Snapdragon 845 coming on this device, right? I'm looking forward to messing around, playing with this phone, seeing how long I can go with beating this phone down. So I can't wait. We got to wait till the event for it to happen, right? Now, listen, check this out. The one thing that I do know that we have coming on this smartphone too is the S Pen, right? That's one of the things that they talked about the most besides the bigger battery. Now, the S Pen, all we know is that you're going to be able to take pictures with this pen, you know, click it. It's going to take the picture for you, which is something that I might not even use, right? But I'd rather have it and not need it than to need it and not have it, right? So with that, it's cool. It's going to come with Bluetooth capabilities. So what else is this going to do? Now, everything is all rumors and speculations at this point. We can only wait till the event to find out actually what features and functions are coming with this S Pen and the Galaxy Note 9 itself. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check out the Galaxy Watch. Now, the Galaxy Watch, I'm real excited about the Galaxy Watch, right? Because I'm thinking it's going to be a game changer overall. There's two main things that I think that's going to put Samsung on the top and help them to peak their revenue as well with this smartwatch, right? But let's talk about the fact, should you even upgrade from the Gear 3, the Gear Sport, to the Galaxy Watch? Or if you're a buyer for the first time and you're thinking about buying into the smartwatch game, should you get the Galaxy Watch or should you go ahead and buy the Gear 3? Well, I'm here to tell you that the Gear 3 is still a great buy in spite of the mishaps that's been happening with the software update. The Gear 3 is a great looking smartwatch, right? I mean, it's circular in design. It has a rotating bezel. You can change out the bands. It's a little beefy, but it still looks great for dressing up and or dressing down. And the UI is beautiful. It's the best UI in the business. It's the most convenient smartwatch that you can buy today, and that's not in my opinion. That is a fact. Just take a look for yourself, right? Now, one of the things that I do like, or a couple of things that I do like about the UI, right, is that on one side when you rotate, right, you can get all your widgets. Now, I think people are sleeping on the widgets because widgets are only favorites that you have that you can get to with ease. The things that you use pretty much on a daily basis, you can set, and you can set almost as many as you want. I think up to 10. And that's a great thing. That means that if I want to get to my music player, if I want to get to my S Health, if I want to get to my calendar, it's just a rotate away. But what I like most of all, and I'm talking about most of all because everything about a smartwatch is about convenience, right? And being able to get to my notifications is definitely important. Now, what I like about it, unlike Android where I don't have to scroll through every notification that I've gotten in order to get to the notification that I'm looking for, the notifications on the Gear 3 is separated. That means your text message are all your text messages, your email is all your email, your Gmail is all your Gmail, and whatever other notification you got, whatever that notification is, that's what the notifications are going to be within that category. And I love that. It makes it easy and quick to get to instead of scrolling through every single notification, which I hated about Android Wear. And I hope they fix that because I still love Android Wear as well, right? Now with that, right, is it a great buy? Yes, it's a great buy. Again, it's a great looking smartwatch. It has a Super AMOLED display. The resolution on it is beautiful. Your watch faces, your apps are going to look sharp in detail. Now, you missed out on a great deal, right? Now, they had this Gear 3 on sale with $70 off, and Best Buy was giving away a $100 gift card on top of it. We don't know if they're going to bring that back, but if I see a deal like that, I will shoot out a video to give you a heads up to go down to Best Buy as quick as possible, right? Now let's talk about the Galaxy Watch. Now, what we know thus far, right? I'm only going to talk about what we know that's worth knowing. Now, the Galaxy Watch is going to be circular in design, so you're going to get pretty much the same look as you will for the Gear 3 and the Gear Sport. You're going to get two sizes, right? And it's going to look the same. One is coming in rose gold, which a lot of the ladies are looking for, probably some guys too, right? Now, on top of that, you get, it's going to come in silver, hopefully, and black. Now, this thing should be water resistant, quite like the Gear 3 is, and I don't know, right? Now, they're saying that it's not going to come with Samsung Pay, so it's not going to have the magnetic strip technology. I don't use Samsung Pay, but what I realized over a couple of days that a lot of people do use it, and they find it very convenient, so I don't know why Samsung want to take it away if people are actually using Samsung Pay. They did it with the Gear Sport, so this doesn't sound like a real big surprise if they do this with the new Galaxy Watch, right? Now, hopefully they don't take away the GPS, right? Because that's very important. You got to have the GPS on there. And I'm thinking they should keep NFC anyway, in spite of the fact that we're not going to have Samsung Pay. Now, with that being said, the UX is supposed to change as well, right? So we're going to get a different look and feel. We haven't got any glimpse or rumors or images about how this is going to look. But what we know about the Gear 3 and the Gear Sport, it looks awesome. The look and feel of it, it's easy to use. You can get to all your information quick, fast, and easy. I'm quite sure it's going to be similar to the same of what we got now, just a little bit different. That's it. That's all, right? And hopefully we're still able to change out the bands. If not, that's going to be a rough deal because I like changing it out. I like being able to customize it to whatever it is that I'm wearing for that day or whatever it is that I'm doing for that day. I like to be able to change out my bands. All right. So that's what we know thus far. Question is, should you buy? Me personally, I think everything is all about pricing. Now, if the Gear 3 is priced well below the Galaxy Watch, and I say, yeah, if you're getting it for the first time, buy. But if you already have the Gear 3, you're thinking about upgrading, I don't know. It's a tough choice. Me, I'm getting it anyway because I have to have the latest and greatest, but it's a choice that you're going to have to make. I'm thinking what should take your decision over the top is probably the battery life. Now, the battery life, we're supposed to get 470 milliamp hour battery. Now, on the Gear 3, we have 380. On the Gear Sport, we have 300. And on the Gear 2, I believe we have 280, right? 470 is a lot, right? You're going to get a couple of more days out of this from what I know thus far, but there's a rumor floating around, right, that we may get 7 days out of this. If that's the case, this is going to be a game changer for Samsung with the smartwatch. And again, it's probably going to help peak their revenue as well because people really don't like to charge a smartwatch and they already got to charge a smartphone. Me, I don't care. I charge my smartphone. I'm going to charge my smartwatch. So should you buy? That all relies on you. All right, you all, listen, the event is tomorrow. We're going to watch it. We're going to take notes. We're going to bring back the information and we're going to talk about it. Okay. So with that being said, listen, I got to go back. I got to get off for lunch. I got to punch in, but hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're buying a smartwatch for the very first time. Are you going to buy the Gear 3 or are you going to buy the Galaxy Watch? And for those of you all who have the Gear 3, are you going to upgrade to the Galaxy Watch, especially considering this 470 milliamp hour battery that we may get 7 days off of? Hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts. Again, take care. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you at the next video. Peace out. Talk to you soon.